So, hello, my name is Edouard Guillaume. I'm 40 years old and I'm the marketing manager of Stobli Robotics, which is one of the divisions of the Stobli Group. So the Stobli Group has three main activities. The first one being the textile industry, where we provide dobbies for the textile machinery. Then we have a second activity, which is a connector division, mainly doing fluid and electrical connectors. And the last one being the robotics division, in which I'm part of. One of the challenges we are trying to solve was to find a 3D engine that was powerful enough in order to open new possibilities for our programming software to prepare for the future and for the 5-10 years to come and all the innovation that the market will bring. Working with Spatial, first of all, we see a very good benefit using your product, which is very mature, which is fully developed, so it is not a specific development for Stobli. So we use a module that you have already developed and already get feedback from other customers. So this is for us a big added value to benefit from your experience. We see a second benefit using modularity of modules, which is to say that we don't feel locked inside a complete end-to-end solution. We feel like today we have a good solution and tomorrow we can grow this solution, adding more module or eventually removing some module if they are not used anymore. And the third benefit working with Spatial is the close relationship that our engineering team has successfully built with your expertise. I think the key point that helped this to be successful was the support that your technical team did bring to our team. They opened our view of integrating these modules, creating a Stobli 3D robotics platform inside our Stobli robotics suite, which is built on top of your different modules. So this is also a platform on which we have the ownership, but which is built on your own module and then relying on your expertise. Let's say that we are the only French robot manufacturer, and Spatial is part of the Dassault Group, which is also a French company. So it was also for us a kind of evidence to first look at Dassault system when we were looking for a new supplier. We were also very proud to kind of work with Dassault because we are also working with CATIA software for our own development since now 20-30 years. So for us, it's kind of closing the loop, having both our product developed using your 3D model, but also having your 3D model for the product that we are selling to our customer. What excites me in the robotics industry is what I used to call a world of possibilities. There is a wide variety of either market, industry, and application that we are serving with robots. Robots is used to say the most flexible equipment to automate production. Then a statistic that we have done recently is that 20% of the application that we will do in 2 years, today we don't know them. So we are completely learning new application, new market, new needs, new product. And this is what makes the robotic industry so exciting, sorry. and working with Spatial brings more excitement because we feel that we work with the leader, the expert in 3D environment. And for us, it gives even more confidence about the solution that we bring to customers.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Thank you.